If I pull a body, then also it is increased, length is increased.
Yes, sir.
But that is called elasticity. So thermal means due to what? Heating or by due to pulling?
The heating.
By heating. So write down heading thermal expansion. Reanshin, school teacher completed till what?
सर एक चैप्टर हो गया
पूरा टीचर ने कंप्लीट कर दिया एक दिन में?
नहीं एक दिन नहीं मतलब टर्म 1 के पहले ही ना मतलब थोड़ा पहले ही ना उन्होंने आधा करा दिया शायद से
Okay, and many things is now deleted now from this chapter. Which chapter is doing now? Your teacher is doing which chapter?
लाइट ना आई थिंक सो वो क्या है लाइट रेज
Light wala. Okay. So I have to start with light after completing this. थोड़ा fast कर लेते हैं. Thermal expansion. Expansion means increasing. Huh? Thermal means heat. So can I say the expansion on heating is called as expansion on heating is called as the thermal expansion. Expansion on heating is called as thermal expansion. Write down. So if they say what is thermal expansion, it is expansion on heating. It's called as thermal expansion of the substance. Completed?
सर
Done, sir.
How many types of expansion are there in solid?
3 नहीं
Three, correct. In solid, there are three expansion. Which are those three expansion?
सर
The
एक
thermal
chemical है
expansion.
First is called linear or super linear expansion. Linear expansion means increase in
In length.
length. Second is called aerial
Aerial.
or superficial. Surface
Acha.
superficial expansion. This means increase in area.
Length and breadth. Both.
That means area.
Yeah. Cubal.
And third is cubical or volume expansion. So solid,
Volume increases.
that means in solid we have three types of expansion: linear, aerial, cubical.
सर
Yes.
सर इज इट कंपलसरी क्या कि मतलब हर सॉलिड गर्म होने पर एक्सपैंड होता है
No, not necessary. लेड में थोड़ा उल्टा बिहेवियर है, उसको एनोमलस बोलेंगे ना, जो ऐसा नहीं बिहेव करता है वो.
Sir, silver iodide also.
Yes, silver iodide is not, it is in liquid form ना. हाँ आदित्य,
Yes, sir.
वीडियो बंद कर दो पहले.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Write down. In solid there are three expansion. Tanvi, you are present now. Tanvi.
यस सर सॉरी फॉर जॉइनिंग लेट सर मेरे को वो मैसेज आ रहा था Zoom is not working applicable ऐसा वाला मैंने दूसरे डिवाइस से लॉगिन किया
Yes, it happens sometimes. But what about your homework?
यस सर आई हैव डन
But you have not submitted.
सर शुड आई सबमिट नाउ एक्चुअली दैट आई फॉरगॉट दैट आई हैव टू सबमिट रेगुलरली बट आई हैव डन
I
ऑल
had my exam, biology exam.
After the lecture, please submit. Otherwise,
Okay,
you have
sir.
to purchase PPE kit to come to your residence and collect.
नो सर वेट आई विल सेंड नाउ ओनली ओके वेट बाय
I should not
Sir.
give order now of PPE kit.
No, sir, don't give order.
Okay. Write down.
So actually, I had my biology exam.
Oh, so you'll be able to manage, Aditya?
Yeah, sir.
ठीक है, लिख लो. Expansion on heating is called as thermal expansion of substance. In solid, there are three expansion: linear expansion, aerial or superficial, cubical or volume expansion. Once you are done, please tell me so that I can clear.
Done.
Okay. Isha, you joined very early.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I'm out. That's why.
Acha, acha. I thought you joined on
No,
that.
sir. I did not did it on purpose. Actually, I'm out. That's why.
No, bro. I thought we came early and you are on time. No problem.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, okay, right there. Okay, next. So we got that solid has three types of expansion: lengthwise, breadthwise, and area, volume-wise. One small note for you, not given, I think, in your book. See, all solid, they are having isotropic expansion. Isotropic means if length is increasing by 10%, then breadth will also increase by 10% and height will also increase by 10%. Not followed. If this is one solid having length 10 centimeter, breadth 2 centimeter, height 1 centimeter. If by heating this 10 becomes 20 centimeter, then how many percent it has increased? 10 becomes 20, double ho gaya na? So it is 100% increase. Yes, Ryansh, is it 100% increase?
No, sir, not 100.
100 na, 10 becomes 20, double then 100% we say na?
Acha, okay, okay.
So this 2 should become how much? 4. 2 ka double 4. 1 should become how much?
2.
2. This is called isotropic. Means length, breadth, height all will increase by same percentage. So sometimes they can ask if length increases by x%, x can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, anything, then breadth and height will also increase by same percent. Then breadth and height, if length increases by 10%, then breadth and height will also increase by same percent. Then breadth and height will also increase.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, say.
Sir, you didn't started with light energy.
No, heat and energy we are doing.
Acha, sir. Because in school, ma'am started with light energy. That's why.
Next
I
class
was just
we'll
asking.
start with light. Next class.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Next class.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Now, usually your school asks many times this. If length is increased by 2%, then area will increase by what percent? Can you tell?
4.
Very good. That means it is 4% because length, breadth both will increase by same. Correct. Double. Volume will increase by what percent?
8.
6. Na? Length increases by 2, then breadth will also be by 2 and volume height will be also by 2. Na?
हाँ मेरे को लगा 2 cube.
No, it is multiplied 2 into 2 into 2.
Sir, are we doing numericals or the theory part?
We are doing theory. We have started with what is thermal expansion.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
whenever you heat a solid liquid substance, they mostly expand. That is
Yes,
called
sir.
thermal expansion. Then
Yes,
we
sir.
said there are 3 types of expansion: linear,
Okay.
aerial or superficial, volume or
Yeah.
cubical. Now this
Yes,
is
sir.
something extra I have told. If length
Okay.
increases by x%, then breadth and height will also increase by same percent.
Yes, sir.
So if they say length is increased by 2, then area will increase by 2 plus 2, 4. and volume will increase by 2% plus 2% plus 2, that is 6. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
write these 3 points. If you are completing, then tell, so that I can clear the screen and write something else.
Sir, done.
Okay. Solid has all the 3 expansion. That is linear, aerial, cubical. Liquid and gas, they have which expansion? All the 3 or some selective?
Selective.
Selective.
What is that selection?
That third one.
Cubical.
Yeah, liquid and gas
Only have cubical expansions.
have cubical expansion. Sometimes they can ask you in MCQ. That means in a multiple choice question. Only cubical expansion. What is other name of cubical expansion? Volume expansion.
Volume expansion.
Volume. So cubical can be also named as volume, superficial as aerial. 4th point, write down.
Sir, actually, I didn't understood third one.
Length increase by 2, breadth increase by 2, height increase by 2, total increase is 6.
अच्छा.
ना 2 into 2 into 2 तो 8 होएगा ना?
No, it is not multiplier, it is addition.
अच्छा, okay.
Okay.
All the addition, na? One length
I
percent.
thought power it is. 2 power like
No,
that.
no.
Okay.
Even if you take power, then actually power becomes multiplier in percentage. So 3 into change in length is to 6%. That way.
Okay, sir, no problem. Continue.
Written?
Yeah.
Okay. What is ice point?
The freezing point.
How much its value is?
0 degree Celsius.
0 degrees Celsius. Correct. And boiling point?
100 degree Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius. So when I supply the heat, then it will increase na, from 0 to 100. And when I cool, it will decrease. Okay.
So,
So suppose I start heating water from 0. So in between we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it will go to steam point. Correct, no? Directly it will not become 100. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Same way when I condense it by cooling, directly it will not become 0. From 4, it will become 0. So water is very mischievous.
anomalous behavior of water.
0 to 4, वो abnormal behave करता है. That is called anomalous behavior. Abnormal behavior is called as,
Anomalous expansion of water.
no, it can be contraction also, no?
So, yeah.
Either anomalous behavior.
Behavior.
When you cool it, then it will be called as expansion. When you heat it contracts, then it is called contraction. But just meaning of anomalous is nothing but what? Abnormal.
Abnormal.
What is normal behavior of any creature on heating? What he will do? He will expand, na?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes अरे क्या
Yes.
गरम लग रहा है, हाथ भी ऐसा कर रहे हैं. और ठंडी में भी हाथ ऐसा करते हैं क्या, shrink हो जाते हैं ना?
Yes.
So suppose on एकदम winter season में your school reopen, सब स्टूडेंट एक साथ आ गए, तो कोई तो बोलेगा ना अपने फ्रेंड को, अरे तू भी बैठना, तू भी बैठना, अरे बहुत ठंडी लग रहा है. That means everybody squeezes. But in summer season, they will say, अरे तू दूसरे बेंच पे जाना, बहुत गर्मी लग रहा है. So we expand on heating and contract on cooling. Sometimes we also become mischievous. That mischief behavior is called our anomalous behavior. In short, okay? But this happens only at what temperature? 0-4 का बीच में. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So if
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
if I cool the water from 4 to 0, असली behavior should happen what? Contract ना?
Yes.
But वो बदमाश है.
Contract नहीं करेगा, expand करेगा.
This is called anomalous behavior or anomalous expansion of water. So pakka question they will ask, what is anomalous expansion of water? And teacher will cancel the mark because you will understand meaning and write in your own wording. She will find somewhere mistake and purposely cancel the mark. Even teachers are also mischievous. So we will stick to our textbook definition, because I have found from last 2-3 years, small word also they cancel the mark. We want to get the mark, why we will get it cancelled? So write, explain, or what do you mean by anomalous expansion of water? What do you mean by
Sir, for
anomalous?
how many marks can this come?
1 mark.
1 mark.
So you
So
want
थोड़ा बड़ा definition है तो 2 mark के लिए आना चाहिए ना?
ये बड़ा डेफिनेशन है, 2 लाइन में हो जाएगा.
Okay.
और अभी बड़ा बड़ा लिखेंगे तो बड़ा होएगा.
हाँ sir.
What do you mean by anomalous expansion of water? Then I'm dictating. What do you mean by anomalous expansion of water? The expansion of water when it is cooled from 4 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius. The expansion of water when it is cooled from 4 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius is known as anomalous expansion of water. 101% this will come in the exam, and teacher will find your mistake to cancel that 1 mark. The expansion of water when it is cooled from 4 degree to 0 degree is known as anomalous expansion of water. So can anybody tell what will be anomalous contraction of water?
So the contraction of water when it is heated from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees
4
Celsius.
degrees Celsius.
Beautiful, beautiful, perfect, perfectly right. Heading written? This you have completed?
Yes, sir.
Sir, wait, sir, I am writing the
Okay.
definition.
Once you complete, tell me.
Sir, heading I have not written. Wait.
No, only definition. Heading
Yeah, definition I have written.
written.
Yeah.
चलो किसको किसको मालूम है what is density?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, say.
Sir, the mass per unit volume of the substance is known as density.
Mass upon volume is known as density. If I take 1 kg of any substance, on heating it will become 2 kg.
No, sir.
How much it will be then?
1 kg.
So
1
whether
kg. Mass will remain
very good. Mass will remain constant whether you heat or cool. What will happen to the volume generally on heating?
Sir, because thermal expansion is there, na? So it will expand.
It will expand. So denominator when increases, suppose numerator is 4, numerator is 4, 4, 4, don't get bored, huh? 4, 4, 4. Now divide this by 10, divide this by 20, divide this by 30, divide.
mass will remain constant.
So what I did here, I increased the volume. In which case answer is maximum. minimum. So here density is max or not?
Yes, sir.
So can I say when there is expansion, body halka ho jayega? So it will sink inside or not?
Yes, sir.
Wrong. It will float.
No, sorry, sorry, sir.
It will float. And if it is heavy, then it will sink. So this you have to remember. Heavier body will sink, lighter will float.
सर
Who
ये
will-
लिखना है
नहीं ये समझने के लिए. Heavier body will sink and lighter will float. That means if density is more for same mass, then we say it is heavier. So if I have a wood of 4 kg and I take copper of 4 kg, who should sink in water? Who can sink?
wood
No, wood will float. No, copper is more heavier. तो 4 kg वो अंदर गिर सकता है ना. बिकॉज 4 kg का कॉपर का वॉल्यूम कम होएगा, मतलब डेंसिटी कम होएगा ना, उसका ज्यादा होएगा ना. बाउंसर गया. हेलो.
सर क्लास कितने बजे तक है एक्चुअली मैं बाहर हूँ ना इसलिए
कितना बजे तक आपको चाहिए? 12 बजे तक रखूं?
नहीं सर एक्चुअली आज मेरे फैमिली में बर्थडे है तो मैं बाहर आई हूँ
पूरा फैमिली में बर्थडे? सबका बर्थडे एक ही दिन?
मेरी दादी का बर्थडे है
नहीं
तो
नहीं, फिर आप सेलिब्रेट करो. जब भी आपको इधर से कंटाला आ गया, डी लिंक.
7:30 कैन आई लीव
यस यस यस, दादी का सेलिब्रेशन इज इंपॉर्टेंट.
सर कैन यू गिव मी द नोट्स लेटर आफ्टर क्लास
आई एम जस्ट ना
ऑन व्हाट्सएप
see what I am doing. I am recording this lecture. You send
Okay,
me,
sir.
you send me cake, I will send you notes.
ओके सर थैंक यू सर
Give my wishes to Dadi also.
या सर श्योर
Okay, चलो अभी स्टार्ट फिर से करते हैं एक बार. मैं बोल रहा था, if volume is increasing, then density will decrease. नहीं समझ में आया आपको? Yes, Riyansh, am I correct?
क्या सर रिपीट करोगे?
When mass is constant, you increase the volume, then its density will decrease or not?
डिक्रीज हाँ डिक्रीज नो
Decrease. And when volume is decreased, what about density?
डेंसिटी विल इंक्रीज.
Very good. So if it is same mass of water, same mass, but it contracts, then what about density? It contracts, means volume will become less, no?
द डेंसिटी विल इंक्रीज
Okay. But if it expands, then?
द डेंसिटी विल रिड्यूस
Okay. So most of the time they will ask you, draw the graph of volume variation from 0 to 4 for water, and then density variation. Very important for your school. Right. Draw graph of volume variation of water in range of 0 degree Celsius to 4 degree Celsius. 0 degree to 4 degree Celsius. What is density of water in CGS? Any of you know density of water in CGS? It is 1 gram per cubic centimeter at 4 degree Celsius.
Yes, sir.
ये याद रखना. Okay. Now I am starting the graph. Very important पक्का question to be asked in the exam. This is which axis?
Sir, y-axis.
एक्सेस
This is y axis. Yes.
यस सर
नहीं तो I thought you were telling y. Y.
नो वाई एक्सेस
And what about this one?
एक्स एक्सेस
X axis. Can I take here temperature?
Yep.
यस सर
Temperature is in which unit?
Degree Celsius.
And here
Degree
can I
Celsius.
take volume we want, huh? So volume of
The
1 gram.
temperature volume graph.
Pardon?
Temperature volume graph.
Temperature volume graph. Yes. So volume of 1 gram of water in centimeter cube, we are plotting on y-axis. So temperature, first I am writing 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 till 10 you mark, huh? Here 0, then I'm starting from here 1.000, then 1.001, slightly more, 1.002, 1.003, and so on. So this mischief behavior is between 4 to 0. Na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So if I go from 4 to 0, what will happen? What will happen? At 4 it is 1. That means this is its actual value. At volume is 1 at 4. Okay? But when I decrease 4 to 0, it will expand or contract?
Contract.
No. Contract is actual behavior. 4
Acha,
to 0,
expand.
you are cooling. So
Expand.
it will give anomalous behavior, expand. Expand means volume will increase. Na?
Yes, sir.
So volume will slightly increase. It may go upward. And 0 pe it will be maximum.
Yes, sir.
So from here it will increase and become maximum. What will happen further? See, 0 it is maximum, 4 it is minimum 1, and then increases. Then after 4 it will expand. Na? It will
Yes.
increase. Have you followed this graph?
Yeah.
Please draw. 4 to 0, instead of contracting it is expanding, and 4
Yes.
to higher, so definitely it will expand.
Okay.
This is the graph.
So wait.
Yeah, wait. See, this chapter is conceptual chapter. तो एक दिन में भी बाहर करके हो सकता है. But to understand, we have to put effort. Next class will start with light chapter. Very important. It is also there in 10th, 11th, and 12th. If you take
Sir, ray diagrams hai?
yes, ray diagrams are there.
Arey yaar.
Numericals are not there.
Thank God.
Ray diagrams are time pass. Just दो
नहीं sir, ray diagrams भी hard है थोड़ा बहुत.
एकदम simple है.
Last year I practiced billion times.
See,
Yes sir.
See, your pencil.
कभी वो parallel नहीं जाता है, कभी वो टेढ़ा हो जाता है.
टेढ़ा नहीं होएगा, स्केल से बनाने का.
No sir, now I have a good hand on it.
अच्छा. Done?
सर मतलब वाटर का मैक्सिमम जो डेंसिटी रहता है वो 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे रहता है.
हाँ. Yes, क्योंकि वॉल्यूम इज मिनिमम ना.
So maximum of 4 to 5 marks, right? This will come. This diagram.
No, diagram will be only 1 mark.
सर इसमें तो कितना सारा चीज लगता है, तो 1 मार्क
क्या लगा?
इसमें
एक पेंसिल लगा, एक स्केल लगा. इसमें क्या लगा?
सर दिमाग लगा.
यस दिमाग का वैल्यू बहुत है.
यस सर. तो 100 मार्क्स का होना चाहिए ये एग्जाम.
We will send letter to our uh,
Principal.
either Prime Minister or our MP. Can I clear this from the screen now? Yes? Can we clear this?
Yes, sir.
Below
Done.
that, write note. Volume of water is minimum at 4 degrees Celsius. Volume of water is minimum at 4 degrees Celsius. Next, right? Variation of density of water, variation of density of water with temperature. In range of 0 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. See, again, this is y-axis, Jadu. And this is x-axis, temperature in degree Celsius. 0 to 4, 6, 8, 10. Hello?
Yes, sir.
This is 0. You can take this coordinate of y not starting from 0 every time. You can change it. So if you just put a small as a zigzag, we can change. That means here I'm starting with 0.9996. Then after one line 0.997, 0.9998, 0.9949, and this is nothing but 1.000. Now tell me, at 4, what was volume? Maximum or minimum? At 4 degree? Hello?
Yes, sir.
At 4 degree, what was volume? Maximum or minimum? Minimum. Volume was minimum, na? At 4 degree. 4 to 0, it is expanding. And 4 onwards also, it is expanding. 4 or minimum, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So if this volume is minimum, density is maximum, which is 1 at 4 degree. Between 0 to 4, it was expanding. If expansion, then density will decrease because volume has increased. Then after 4, again it is volume increasing, density will decrease. So this is ulta graph. At 4 degree Celsius, density of water is maximum. This they can ask again as MCQ. Volume is minimum, density is maximum. So whenever it is at 4 degree, then the water will not rise, but it will sink because its density is maximum. It becomes heavier. Please solve, draw the diagram. Then Isha, you have,
Excuse me,
yes,
sir.
yes,
Can I leave the
yes.
meeting?
Who is leaving?
Thank-
Isha is leaving?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Best luck and give my
Thank you.
regards to Granny. As I
Yes,
said,
sir.
you will send me cake. I will send you this recorded lecture.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Bye.
Sir, wait.
Yeah, आराम से अच्छे से लिखो.
सर लेकिन एग्जाम में ऐसा पूरा 4 डिजिट डेसिमल तक लिखना पड़ता है, ऐसा कंपलसरी है कि 3 डिजिट तक भी लिख सकते हैं?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, 4 digit तक, because there is very minute change, na? So that's why all the decimals are important.
Done, sir. Finally.
Done? Yes. Can I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Akruti, Sri Lakshmi, everybody is done. Shreyansh, Aryan.
यस सर, हाँ हाँ.
Okay. Hopes experiment to demonstrate, that means to explain, Hopes experiment to demonstrate the anomalous behavior of water, or anomalous expansion of water, one and the same. Anomalous expansion of water. Mostly they can ask you draw diagram of Hope's apparatus. T.C. Hope was scientist का नाम, so he had a hope of explaining anomalous expansion of water. They can ask you in exam diagram for 2 marks. So first I will draw the diagram, then we'll see observation. Only diagram you will do, rest all part I will post you so that we can save the time. Heading written so that I can clear it off.
सर होप साइंटिस्ट का नाम है.
हाँ, TC Hope उसका नाम था. So can I clear this now? Hello?
हाँ हाँ, हो गया.
हो गया. अभी apparatus देखते हैं, what he took to explain anomalous expansion of water. Apparatus we are drawing. So it consists of a cylinder, metallic cylinder. It consists of a metallic cylinder. Tall metallic cylinder. It consists of cylinder. You will draw this much first. Metallic cylinder. This much completed.
Ah, this was completed.
Okay. After this, see, we have to draw 2 thermometers. So at upper end, you have to draw 1 thermometer.
So we have to make the readings.
No, just dash there.
Okay.
Thermometer T1. This will be at 0 degrees Celsius at the end. And lower thermometer will be at 4 degrees. That two are very important. This upper means they are fixed here. Thermometer T.
So these are mercury thermometers.
Pardon?
These are mercury only, no?
Mercury thermometer.
Okay.
They are all mercury thermometer. At the center, there is this much done. There is one trough-like structure at the center. Here there are ice cubes. And this is water. Water.
Yes, sir.
This one is called trough. Here we have water. Metallic cylinder, water, trough, first thermometer, second thermometer. You can call this as P and this as Q. This is Hope's apparatus. Yes. If you have completed till, then we'll see its working and explanation.
We're done.
Okay, others have also done?
1 minute, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, take 2-3 minutes. Don't take tension. Because your final exam will be postponed by 2 months.
Sir, but the diagram is not looking so nice.
No, if you do with pencil scale, it will look nice. You did freehand?
Yeah.
Array, no, don't do with pencil scale. We can't become MF Hussain, no?
Mean?
You know MF
Sir,
Hussain?
who, sir?
MF Hussain.
No,
Who is
sir.
that artist?
Array, his one painting is of 2 crores.
Sir, that told Leonardo da Vinci is much more expensive.
Yeah. Those designs are so fantastic. Many times you have to search the dictionary what is meaning of that. If everybody is done, I will clear this and we'll see explanation.
Yes.
Okay. So first we are seeing construction, then we are seeing the explanation. Can I clear now this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just remember, heavy will fall and light will rise. है ना?
What, sir? Pardon?
Heavy मतलब जो वजन वाला रहेगा,
Yeah.
that will fall, no? And light वाला will rise, na?
Yes, sir.
So first, what is Hope's apparatus constructed? It consists of a metallic cylinder. Okay, it consists of metallic cylinder. I hope this much you all can understand.
Yes, sir.
At the top and bottom, at point P and Q, two thermometers are inserted. Two thermometers are inserted. One is T1, other is T2. This also followed.
Sir, that only you made, no?
So but we are writing now. Don't write, just listen, I will send the write up. So it consists of metallic cylinder with two thermometers inserted at top and bottom at point and Q. At the center, a trough is attached in which mixture of ice and salt called as freezing mixture is placed. Okay, this much followed now. Hello?
हाँ, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So apparatus, so now I think you can tell in your own word. It consists of tall metallic cylinder provided with two side openings P near top, Q near bottom. Thermometer T1 and T2 are inserted at P and Q. Central part of cylinder is surrounded by central trough containing freezing mixture of ice and salt. The cylinder is filled with pure water at room temperature, and temperature is recorded by two thermometers. Again I am telling, then you will repeat. It consists of tall metallic cylinder with two openings P and Q at top and bottom respectively. Two thermometers T1 and T2 are inserted in P and Q. At the center, it consists of cylindrical trough filled with freezing mixture of ice and salt. It is filled with pure water and temperatures are recorded by T1 and T2 at regular interval. Clear? Apparatus?
Now we have to write
No, no,
this.
no, no, no.
Okay, okay.
Can you tell now in your own wording?
It consists of a tall metallic cylinder.
With
It consists of two thermometers P and Q attached at upper and lower bottom.
inserted at P and
Yeah,
Q top and bottom. At center, it consists of cylindrical trough in which freezing mixture of
Sir,
ice and salt. So if they ask, freezing mixture is of what? Ice and salt.
yes, sir.
Okay. अभी चलो इसका working. Observation. Then we'll see. Yes, Aditya, you have raised hand.
Sir, in that diagram, actually, sir had made a pipe on the trough and a beaker. He said that the freezing mixture will melt and it will go inside.
It's okay. या बराबर है. But
Yeah.
देखो आपने कभी मटका कुल्फी खाया है क्या? कुल्फी वाला था मटका कुल्फी बोलते हैं.
हाँ सर, राजस्थान में तो बहुत मिलता है.
Yeah.
हाँ तो
Yeah, we can.
they also have that salt and ice mixture. मेल्ट होने के बाद वो पाइप से ना पानी बाहर निकाल देते हैं.
I've never seen.
But we don't want all this. Na? We want only conclusion. See. Now what observation a student like you all will see? Initially, can you see in both thermometer it is room temperature? Suppose it is 12 degrees Celsius. यही दिखेगा ना दोनों में? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
So can I say initial temperature in both thermometer will be same, which is room temperature, है ना? अरे yes or no? Hello?
Yes.
Now temperature recorded by lower thermometer. अभी ice when it starts cooling, it will expand na from 4 to 0. Hello? Hello, hello, hello.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
So when it expands मतलब density decreases ना, तो नीचे गिर जाएगा ना वो ठंडा पानी. तो ये T2 का टेम्परेचर कम होएगा क्या नहीं?
हाँ सर, कम.
Yes, sir.
T2 starts by lower thermostat degree. Finally it will become at 4 से 0. अभी उल्टा बिहेवियर करेगा ना ये. ऊपर वाला आइस वजन है तो नीचे आ गया ना.
हाँ हाँ.
नीचे आ गया तो पानी को ठंडा करेगा ना. पानी को ठंडा कब तक करेगा? 4 तक करेगा क्या नहीं? अभी 4 के बाद ये इट विल एक्सपांड ना अंदर. एक्सपांड मतलब अभी वो नीचे ही रहेगा, इट वोंट गो अप. तो उसका जो आइस है ना इधर ये, अभी ये 4 डिग्री पे सिंक हो गया. T2 starts decreasing. Finally it becomes 4. Whereas temperature at the ऊपर वाला is unchanged क्योंकि आइस ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है, नीचे गिर गया. ओके? हेलो?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी क्या होएगा देखो थोड़ी देर के बाद. वापस समझो पहला, ये क्या है अपना ट्रफ बराबर. इसके अंदर है ना आइस. एट 0 डिग्री, बराबर क्या नहीं? ये आइस को बाहर से जब एयर मिलेगा तो आइस मेल्ट होएगा ना। हेलो हेलो।
यस सर।
So when it goes from 0 to 4, it will expand ना।
Yes.
हाँ
expand मतलब वॉल्यूम ज्यादा, मतलब डेंसिटी कम। और जैसे ही 4 और 0 के बीच में आ गया और ठंडा होएगा तो इसका वॉल्यूम अभी ये
कम होएगा।
वॉल्यूम कम होएगा। 4 से 0 पे गया तो डेंसिटी बढ़ा, इसलिए नीचे आया ना। तो फ्रीजिंग मिक्सचर तो 0 से भी ज्यादा कम रहता है ना उसका टेम्परेचर।
सर लेकिन आइस का जो डेंसिटी आता है वो 1 ग्राम सेंटीमीटर क्यूब रहता है ना।
हाँ, दैट इज एट वी टेक at 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस आइस इज स्लाइटली लेस देन वाटर। इसलिए देखो आइस पानी में फ्लोट करता है ना, इट इज नॉट 1 से थोड़ा कम रहता है। 4 पे 1 होता है ना। See, when we put ice in the water, it floats, no? That means it is lighter, na? Hello?
हाँ 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 हाँ।
So 4 डिग्री से 0 पे जब ये आएगा, आइस तो पहले ही 0 है, वो मेल्ट होएगा ना पहला। मेल्ट होने के बाद ये 12 डिग्री पे आएगा। फिर आइस इसके साथ मिक्स करके पानी 12 से थोड़ा कम कम होएगा, तो कम 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 होएगा तो वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होएगा ना। कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होएगा मतलब इसका डेंसिटी ज्यादा, तो नीचे गिर जाएगा किधर तक? 4 डिग्री तक ना। हेलो।
Yes.
4 डिग्री तक नीचे गिर गया वो आइस, बिकॉज वो हैवी था। बाद में वो 4 से 0 पे अभी वाटर एक्सपांड हो गया। एक्सपांड हो गया मतलब वो वॉल्यूम ज्यादा, डेंसिटी कम, तो अभी ऊपर राइज होएगा ना। ये गर्म ठंडा पानी ऊपर राइज होएगा तो ऊपर वाले को ठंडा ठंडा करेगा। नहीं समझ में आया था?
समझा सर।
नहीं, सबको नहीं समझा। देखो ध्यान से देखो, ये ट्रफ है, बराबर ना। इसके अंदर क्या है? आइस है क्या नहीं? आइस एंड सॉल्ट। हेलो हेलो।
यस सर।
तो जब भी एयर के कांटेक्ट में आएगा, एयर का तो टेम्परेचर रूम टेम्परेचर है ना, पानी वाला टेम्परेचर है ना। तो ये मेल्ट होएगा, बराबर, गर्मी से मेल्ट होएगा। तो 12 से मेल्ट हो के 4 डिग्री तक जब भी तक आएगा, तो 4 डिग्री पे तक क्या होने वाला है? कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्या नहीं? हेलो।
हम्म।
तो पहला मेल्ट होएगा, रूम टेम्परेचर पे आएगा, लेकिन आइस तो और भी कम होएगा, तो इट विल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, तो ये पूरा नीचे गिरेगा वाटर।
ठीक है
तो नीचे गिर
सर।
के
लेकिन जब भी रिवर्स में ना अगर समझो बहुत फ्रीजिंग रहेगा तो फिर आइस ऊपर ही रहता है।
हाँ, पहला तो आइस फ्लोट होएगा ना, नहीं तो सब नीचे गिर नहीं जाएगा क्या? पहला तो आइस
फिर
इसमें
बाद
आइस।
में जब भी गर्म होगा तभी नीचे गिरेगा।
हाँ यस, तभी थोड़ा ठंडा पानी हो जाएगा, तो 4 डिग्री तक ठंडा होके पानी नीचे गिर जाएगा ना अभी, बिकॉज डेंसिटी ज्यादा हो गया उसका, है ना। 4 पे वॉल्यूम मिनिमम है ना, तो
हम्म।
डेंसिटी ज्यादा तो नीचे गिरेगा। जैसे ही 4 आया, अब इसका वॉल्यूम बढ़ना स्टार्ट हो गया, तो डेंसिटी कम, तो इधर जो पानी मेल्ट हो गया अभी ऊपर राइज होएगा, और ऊपर का पानी नीचे आएगा। ठीक है।
यस सर।
तो थोड़ी देर के बाद क्या होएगा? ऊपर वाला टिल इट बिकम्स 0 डिग्री, क्योंकि नीचे से पानी ऊपर जा रहा है। ऊपर वाला 12 है, 12 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट 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 होने तक ये इसका डेंसिटी ज्यादा, तो ऊपर वाला पानी नीचे आएगा, लेकिन नीचे वाला ऊपर जा रहा है ना ऐसा। सो व्हेन इट रीचेस अप टू 0, तो ये सराउंडिंग पे इधर आइस बना देगा ना। इफ बाहर का टेम्परेचर 0 आया तो एक्चुअली वो 12 है। सो दिस वे इट विल कूल। सो वी कैन सी up to 4 degree it is falling downward. After that it is rising upward water. So lower thermometer will record up to 4, and then it becomes constant because it don't get freezing mixture का ठंडा पानी to cool it. अभी पूरा पानी ऊपर फ्लो हो रहा है, तो ऊपर वाला 0 डिग्री पे आके रुक जाता है, क्योंकि तभी आइस बन जाएगा थोड़ी देर के बाद। तो बाहर कुछ गर्म है ही नहीं, आइस इंसुलेटर है, तो ये इसको बचाएगा भी आगे पिघलने से, तो ऊपर आइस बनेगा, नीचे वाटर एज इट इज। दिस प्रिंसिपल With this principle, aquatic plants in the cold countries can be prevented. Everybody has followed the concept.
Yes, sir.
What happens till 4 degree? What it will fall down ना? That means freezing mixture melt होके नीचे गिरेगा ना? But after 4 it will go up. ऊपर गया तो धीरे 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 आइस बन जाएगा ना? आइस बन जाएगा तो बाहर का टेम्परेचर अंदर नहीं आएगा. That means it will prevent the remaining thing. So that's why it is working like a hope. ऐसे मजा कर रहा हूँ. साइंटिस्ट का नाम होगा. Now see how it works. Initially, can you tell me what is temperature of water in that cylinder? 12 degree. I told her take 12 degree. When the freezing mixture cools, water in central portion of the cylinder, so water will contract or not cooling के बाद 4 degree तक, है ना?
हाँ, contract.
It contracts means it will sink down, no? It will sink down मतलब ये नीचे वाला पानी ठंडा होएगा क्या नहीं?
ठंडा होएगा.
कभी तक? 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस
4
तक.
degrees, हाँ.
अभी 4 डिग्री के बाद क्या होएगा? वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होएगा, एक्सपांड होएगा ना? जो सेंट्रल पार्ट में पानी है वो एक्सपांड होएगा ना?
Yes.
एक्सपांड होएगा तो ये ऊपर जाएगा ना कन्वेंशनली. तो ऊपर का गर्म पानी नीचे आ जाएगा. ये कंटिन्यू होते रहेगा बाय कन्वेंशन. So when it cools further below 4 due to anomalous expansion, water of central expand. Density will decrease. It will rise up and its place will be taken by top water which will come down. So water above the central portion will start cooling now. So the reading of thermometer will fall up to 0 degree क्योंकि 4 के बाद 0 तक जाएगा. हेलो 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 हेलो.
हाँ, yes, sir.
So this is how it works. Till 4 it was falling down. 4 to 0 it will rise up. तो ये पूरे को कूल कर देगा till 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस. लेकिन लोअर वाला अभी 4 डिग्री पे 0 पे बन जाएगा ये आइस. तो बाहर वाला अभी ठंडा क्लाइमेट में क्या होएगा? ठंडी को अंदर आने से बचाता है. ये फायदा है. अंदर का पानी 0 और 4 पे रहेगा, नीचे वाला इधर प्लांट्स बच जाएंगे, नहीं तो आइस के अंदर सबमर्ज हो जाए. हैव यू फॉलोड नाउ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If they ask what graph of thermometer T1 and T2. T2 means lower wala thermometer. Initially it was at 12 degrees Celsius showing the temperature. After some time this will lose and come up to 4 pe constant. So this is graph of thermometer T2. Thermometer T1 12 degree at the start. It will remain for some time till it becomes here 4. Suppose ये 4 10 second में हुआ तो 10 second तक 12 ही रहेगा and then fall downward till 0 and becomes constant. I hope you followed both the graph.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Writing part I will send. Now, what are consequence? Sanvi, you followed? You were not there in between. Sanvi, Akruti, Ananya.
Yes, sir.
Sri Lakshmi, you all followed the concept? In freezing mix.
Yes, sir.
स्टार्ट में ये इस सेंटर वाला पानी को ठंडा करेगा, ठंडा 12 से 4 करेगा तो ये इधर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होएगा, इससे नीचे गिरेगा. बट आफ्टर 4 ये एक्सपांड होएगा, पानी एक्सपांड होके हल्का होएगा तो ऊपर राइज होएगा, ऊपर वाला नीचे आके ठंडा ठंडा होएगा एंड फाइनली 0 पे रुक जाएगा. So consequence of anomalous expansion of water. So by anomalous expansion of water, it helps to preserve aquatic plant in cold countries. Cold country पे temperature 0 से माइनस पे जाता है ना. कोल्ड कंट्री का कोई बोलता है टेम्परेचर -10 -20 ऐसा माइनस पे आ जाता है ना. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
So in cold countries temperature will fall below 0. Water at the surface of the pond initially directly 0 नहीं होएगा ना, धीरे धीरे टेम्परेचर माइनस पे जाएगा. initially it will come up to 4. Initially at temperature above 4, it will
Yes.
radiate heat to the surrounding. मतलब temperature देगा, क्योंकि बाहर हल्का temperature कम है ना, माइनस में, तो 4 डिग्री तक देगा वो. After 4 degree, it will start expanding. If it starts expanding, then it will sink inside ना, ये ऊपर का नीचे पानी. Water will contract, density will increase, therefore it will sink to the bottom. As soon as its bottom reaches 4 degree, it results in expansion. तो ये expand होने लगेगा 4 to 0 पे. Expand होएगा तो ये पानी ऊपर जाके फिर से 0 पे आ जाएगा, और 0 के बाद राइस बचेगा, अंदर वाला बच जाता है. This how it will prevent the aquatic plants from getting submerged with ice. वापस सुनो. जैसे जैसे बाहर का टेम्परेचर कम होते गया, 4 डिग्री तक पानी नीचे गिरे, और के बाद ये पानी ऊपर जाके इधर जैसे ही 0 आया, आइस बन गया. अभी 0 से भी कितना भी कम होएगा, ये बाहर का ठंडा एटमॉस्फेयर नीचे नहीं जाने देगा, तो नीचे वाले प्लांट बच जाएंगे ना. ऊपर आइस दिखेगा, नीचे लेकिन लिक्विड फॉर्म में रहता है, बिकॉज आइस बनने के लिए 0 डिग्री चाहिए. So that's why in countries like Finland, where temperature goes below 0, above we feel it is flat, ice, solid, लेकिन नीचे पानी रहता है. तो गलती से अगर पानी पैर अंदर गया ना, तो बाहर आना मुश्किल होएगा, विल गेट सबमर्ज्ड. हेलो हेलो,
Yes, sir.
followed?
Sir, but we can, there is a technique to come out. Yeah, and
Techniques are definitely developed now. If somebody falls, then they have to be taken out. Sometimes they can say why in cold countries water pipe line bursts. Why it bursts? Because when it
yes, I have heard it.
0 to 4 to 0, water will expand, and if it does not get the expansion space, it will burst. है ना? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Same way the capillaries of the plant, when it is cooling down, it sometimes bursts. तो पानी इधर ऐसा oozing दिखता है हम लोग को because of that. So this complete.
Sir, means if we keep a vegetable in the fridge, like leafy vegetable, so it will die.
No. See, capillary action means what? It will take the water from the soil. Na? Now you have already cut it. There is no pulling stems available.
Yes, sir.
So therefore,
Sir, but little bit of water will be there, na, in the like spinach is.
that's why when you take out, ऊपर थोड़ा moisture जैसा दिखता है ना हम लोग को.
I'll check today.
Check today. So this completes our part 1. Energy flow and its importance में से many, I think everything is deleted from the syllabus. What your teacher told? Hello?
Sir, the B part is full deleted.
B part is fully deleted, and in C
He
part,
said that C part is only global warming is there.
only the greenhouse effect and global warming. That
Yes.
we'll see in next class. It will take hardly 10-15 minutes. So today we
Yes,
stop
sir.
here. Next lecture after 10-15 minutes, I will start with light section.
Sir,
Okay?
will you send the homework?
Sir,
Yes,
yeah.
notes of this I will post you.
Sir,